Let's explore some other features of the myViewBoard companion app. Now, we already did a video on how to use the companion app to log into myViewBoard if you are, for example, just wanting to sign in quickly. However, once you're signed in, there's lots of cool things you can do, but remember, you do have to be signed in first. Also, as a reminder, you can get the companion app from the App Store or Google Play Store for your Android or iPhone device. But if you're not sure how to sign in, be sure to watch that other video. First, we're gonna start with a tool called Throw. It's the paper airplane icon in the companion app. And you'll notice that you have the ability to look at your pictures you've already taken, so you can browse photos, or you can turn on the camera, which activates my camera here. And now I can walk up and take a picture of this article. And when you like it, touch the check mark to accept it. Then it's gonna ask for something called the host session ID. If you take a look here, the host session ID is in the top left corner whenever you're signed in. My app has remembered my name because I've done this a few times, so you only need to enter it once. Touch the little airplane in the top right corner to send. You'll get this throwing animation, and then you'll get a success notification. Now, because my app and the panel match, meaning I'm signed in with the same account, this next screen says, would you like to open the photo? So I can hit yes, and what it will do is it'll actually download and open the image directly on the canvas. And of course I can resize or edit or crop this or annotate over the top. But what if you pick no? You can still get your image, you just have to do it by going to the magic box. So the magic box is here, it's in the main toolbar. And when you select that, you have your home or all features tabs. If you scroll down, you'll see the throw option here. Or if we go to all features, you'll see throw is here in the middle. And any pictures that you send via your phone will show up here in this window. You can either double tap to download the image, or you'll see a checkbox. This lets you select multiple images, and then you can insert them all at the same time. So essentially we're using our phone like a mobile document camera, which is a really nice feature. Another thing I can do is use what's called the remote control. So currently I'm on the home screen. If I choose the middle icon here, this is called Whiteboard Control. The first thing you'll notice is that I have arrows or a clicker. So if I click these, you can see here that it will actually switch back and forth between my pages or slides from the app. I also have this big button in the middle. This is called the laser pointer. So if I take my phone and point it at the panel and hold this button down, I get a red dot. And if I move my phone around, the red dot will track or follow. Now remember, in order to use these features, you do need to be signed into both the app and then signed into myViewBoard. Once that's complete, the two will sync and talk to each other. Also, your phone and myViewBoard or whatever device you're using myViewBoard from don't need to be on the same Wi-Fi.